PerfectIt is the leading software for editing books, contracts, reports, proposals, and other professional documents. PerfectIt locates difficult to find errors such as consistency mistakes and style issues. To start PerfectIt, add it from the Office store. PerfectIt works with Office 365 on Mac, PC, iPad, or Word Online. Here I'm using the PC version, but no matter which you're using, you just load it from MS Word. Click Start to Run and PerfectIt scans your document. The first check it runs is hyphenation consistency. Here it finds cooperation with and without a hyphen. Every decision is left to the user. You choose the version you prefer. So let's choose cooperation without a hyphen. Then all possible locations to fix are shown below. Check each location, look at the context carefully, and click Fix for any items you want to change. If you change your mind, click Undo. Now we've made sure that hyphenation is consistent throughout the document, let's click Next to move to the next check. Here the word organize takes an S in some locations, but a Z in others. Depending on what country you're in, both spellings might be allowed, but they don't normally belong in the same document. If we prefer the version with the S, we click that. Then below are all the locations to fix. If we prefer the version with the Z, we click that. Then we fix those ones instead. Still, always check the context. English has lots of exceptions and there might be a direct quote or other reason for the inconsistency. Let's click Next again. PerfectIt scans the document for every abbreviation and its definition, and it finds if an abbreviation is used before a definition, if it's defined twice, and lots of other errors. The result you see here is for PerfectIt's check of abbreviations that haven't been defined. As you work with the document, you can move back and forth between PerfectIt and Word. So I click the abbreviation, then switch over to make the change in Word. I fill in the definition, then click back to PerfectIt for the next location. When we're done, click Next. Here's PerfectIt's check for phrases in capitals. In this document, it finds the word government with a capital G in one place, but a lowercase g in another. What you can see is that errors that might take hours to find are corrected in seconds. And there's so much more. You can use PerfectIt to generate a table of abbreviations. And if we go back to the beginning, you can see all of the checks available. We can use PerfectIt to check bulleted lists, numbers in sentences, list capitalization, headings in capitals, and much more. The time saving from all of those checks combined is incredible. You can cut an entire round of revisions. And it isn't just consistency. You can also use PerfectIt to check a specific style. Instead of looking for consistency, choose the style manual you want to enforce. Available styles include United Nations, European Union, or American legal style, as well as spelling preferences for the UK, US, Canada, and Australia. PerfectIt is free to try from the Office store, so you can start correcting your text and start saving time today.